This video is how to change the cabin air filter on a 2011 Equinox, 2010, 11, 12, 13, I think all the way up to 14 or so are all the same, maybe even beyond. No tools are needed to replace the cabin air filter. First, we open up the glove box. Now, on top of the glove box, there's a little plastic tab. It's got like rubber on it. It's right up in here. And we push that down, and then the glove box tilts forward. And you tilt the glove box forward and then lift it, and it comes right off because it's on these hinges. Here is where your cabin air filter is. To remove the cabin filter, we push up on these two tabs. And here's the filter. And you can pull it straight out. Nasty. All right, I got the new filter. I'm going to put it in and make sure that you have the arrow pointing down. Okay, the new filter is in, arrow pointing down, and you can close your cover. And now we'll put the glove box back on. Glove box hinges right on here. It's literally a plastic hinge, and we'll just line it up, push it down, and then close the glove box all the way, and it will latch so it opens properly. Okay, the easiest way to get the glove box back in is to hold it up at an angle, line up the hinges, and then push down in the back of the glove box. And it'll click in. It'll drop into place. Then you just close the glove box, and it might close a little clunky at first, but close it once, and then it opens to the normal position, and you're all done. You've installed a cabin air filter in your Equinox. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.